In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out in Microsoft Outlook. This is a simple trick that can make reading your emails much easier, especially if you want larger text or a broader view. First, open any email in your Outlook inbox. On the right-hand side, open the email fully. You can then use the Control key on your keyboard along with your mouse wheel to zoom in or out. Scroll up to zoom in and down to zoom out. It's a quick and easy way to adjust the view without changing any settings permanently. Another way to zoom is by opening the email in a new window. Once it's open, look at the top menu for the Zoom option. Here you can select a specific percentage to zoom in or out, or click Reset to return to 100%. This method gives you precise control over how large or small your email content appears. And that's it. Whether you're reading a long message or just want to make your text easier on the eyes, these tips help you zoom in and out in Outlook quickly. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more quick Outlook tips.